All right, go ahead, lie down. You're going to take the ball and put it directly between your legs. Hold on to it nice and tight. Palms out nice and wide. Beautiful. Palms down. Keep your head nice and rested. Go ahead, bring in your knees and lift your butt slightly. Go all the way back down. Blow out on the way in. Breathe in. Blow out. Breathe in. You see how she's lifting her butt up slightly? You can see that lower stomach working. It's beautiful. And when you go down, you could go down all the way and touch that ball to the floor. No problem. Now, if you're advanced, watch this. You straighten out your legs. Okay? Completely straight. They were bent before. Straighten them out. Come up. Now, what I want you to do is just come right back down to right there. Perfect. And then bring it in and lift that butt up and squeeze that lower stomach. Let's get rid of those love handles. Keep your upper body as relaxed as you can. Grip that ball nice and tight, okay? We don't want it falling out of your legs.